What's up, Connor? I'm your host, Justin. Welcome to Justin. Today we're interviewing going behind the scenes of welding, so stay tuned for today's show, Justin. Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll be kicking off Justin, interview approach of our show. First, I'd like to thank our guest from welding.
Julian. I'm a welder. I've been welding since sophomore year. And yeah.
My name is Lenny. I'm a senior and I've been welding since sophomore year.
Yeah, my name is Adrian. I'm a senior and I've been welding with these guys since sophomore year.
All right. Well, I want to thank you guys for coming for today's show, Justin. So, how long have you guys been in welding for?
3 years.
Yeah, I've been in since my sophomore year, so around 3 years.
Yeah, I joined in sophomore year and yeah, just kept doing it since senior year.
All right. So, what's your guys' favorite part about welding?
Probably just coming into class, working with friends. Just little stuff here now.
My favorite is probably the cookouts with the whole class.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, my favorite part is probably coming in and working with my friends, you know, it's chill.
All right. And I guess, are you guys going to use the skills in any future paths?
Maybe, yeah. I'm not too sure.
Me personally, I feel like I am. I really enjoy welding, so I feel like I see myself like pursuing welding as a career. And yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I'm ever gonna use it again. I mean, there's nothing really I can I can use in my everyday life from welding. That's just me personally. I don't know about that.
What is like a funny memory of welding?
Probably working with my friend Greg.
Great. Plus, why is that funny?
He's the best welder. Yeah.
What about you, Lynn?
Mine is probably like whenever we first started welding, everybody was new to everything, so they didn't know what to do. I just found that funny, honestly.
Yeah, I think it's like just talking with Mr. Campbell. He's funny, you know. He just be saying some stupid stuff. One time we were just like, it was like at the end of the class, and he had asked him a question. He was like, "Do you eat lug nut sandwiches and stuff?" And like, I don't know, that was just funny to me.
Okay, so I guess what kind of other hobbies you guys do instead of welding?
I draw a little bit. Do a bit of drawing.
What about fishing?
Oh yeah, fishing too. Fishing for sure.
I like fishing as well. I'm the one that actually introduced him to fishing.
Yeah,
He put you on?
He put me on bass fishing.
And then I like play Fortnite. I got earnings, so. Yeah,
Who's your first game?
The Renegade Raider.
What about emo?
Take the L.
Alright.
Yeah, probably fishing. Yeah, I'll be fishing with Lenny sometimes. You know, sometimes he can't be catching nothing though. It's kind of crazy.
Damn. Calling you trash, bro. Okay, so, I guess if somebody wants to try welding, how would you, I guess, inspire them to try it?
Just go in the shop and talk to Mr. Campbell. Maybe he'll just show you around a little bit and see from there.
Okay, well, I think that's all it for today. We will now show behind the scenes of welding, what's going on around here in CHS.
Need some help?
Yeah, I don't understand this.
Good job. Keep up the good work.
Wow, thank you. I couldn't do it without you. Hey, thanks for helping me pass.
Yeah, congrats on graduating.
I couldn't have done it without you.
Hello, KTIG. I'm here with Xander, the man.
Hello, hello.
So he's gonna show me how to weld, or show me examples of weldings.
No, I'm not the best welder, but I think I can show you a couple things today.
Okay. All right. So what are you doing today?
So today I'm really just gonna be welding my plates together. What we're doing is we're tacking, and we're just doing a straight line across these. Sorry, my plate looks a little messed up.
Okay.
What we're doing is a 60-10 line, and then we do a 70-18, so we're gonna fill it up. So we're gonna do about maybe 2 or 3 to fill it up all the way, and then when we fill it up, what we do is we cut it down, and then we restart the process until there's no more plate left.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, he's gonna show us how he welds.
All the way back here is my booth. Nothing too crazy about it. Is we're gonna switch it on right here. Make sure that nobody mess with the wads, you know, because they like to turn it up and down. It's a little messy sometimes. So a lot of people have been messing with our rods. They've been just like scraping them. They've been bending them, messing with them. Mr. Campbell been getting on our butts about it. So now we have to use what we can for right now because he doesn't want to spend no more money on it. It's bad. People do to our rods. Very sad, very sad. So with our rods, it'll tell you what you're going to be using. So this is going to be a 60-10 rod. The smaller ones are the 60-10. The bigger ones are going to be the 70-18.
Alright, so it's my turn to weld. I'm doing like a flat plate. I'm gonna try to do like a straight line. So I hope I do good. Now let's take a look what's happening here right here in CHS. Hello, Kinda Hot. Are you in the holiday spirit this upcoming season? Well, we got you covered. Let's take a quick trip to the Morehead Stadium, where June 7th to 4th, you can come and watch How the Grinch Stole Christmas. How do we get the tickets, you might ask? Well, you can order them online using the QR code. You can get them at the pitch store starting November 21st. And you can get your ticket on the ticket book day of the movie. But remember, no outside food, but you can bring your blankets. Once you buy your ticket and everything, you can sit with whatever you want with your friends or family, or just your significant other. But I think that's it. We'll see you at the movies. Welcome back to Justin. Now this is our game portion of our show. So we're playing Jenga, but there's two players. Oh, there's two teams. Both teams had but one guy is the hands, the other is the guidance. So you guys are ready right now?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, come on.
Right. I'll be back.
Hot dogs.
Come on. Give me it. Give me it.
I'll go to the back, bro. To the back.
Guide me.
Who goes first?
Alright, go. Keep going. Go. More. Keep going.
Oh,
Alright, that's good. Just take it out.
Come on,
yeah,
bro.
just take it out. That's good. Oh yeah. Okay.
yeah, put it right there.
Hey, look, we're gonna go on the bottom, okay? Go. There.
Push it.
That one. This guy. There you go.
That's what you mean.
Just a quick sip.
No, just like
no.
Bro, are you dumb?
Oh my gosh, that's a lot.
Keep going, Julian.
Just trying to press everybody.
Just like that.
I didn't mean to put that. Try to press the hose.
Drop
Let's
it.
get.
Good.
Cool, you gotta get closer.
Hey, get closer, bro.
Get closer.
It's fine.
Oh, heck no.
That fan.
Get closer, bro. Yeah, you're getting there. Yeah, go slow.
That's crazy, bro. He said go.
Hey, guess I'll take a shot.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Ooh, that's a big one. Ooh, disgusting, bro.
Right. Take a small amount.
It burns, bro.
That's all it for Justin. I would like to thank our guests from whatever coming in for today's show. Make sure to stay tuned for another episode of Justin next week. And remember, teachers, there's no price to be nice, so make sure to spend some kindness once or twice.